Have a nice day, students. Today in mathematics, in class 9B, we will see the explanation of mean and median of ungrouped data. What is the meaning of mean and median? First we see mean. Mean is the average of the variates. Average in which sense? Suppose any cricket player scored 60 runs in the first match. In the first match, that cricket player scored 60 runs. In the second match, the same cricket player scored 40 runs. In the third match, the same cricket player scored 50 runs. If you find the average run made by that cricket player, for that average in all matches equal to, what will you do? You will add these three, 60 runs plus 40 runs plus 50 runs, and you will divide by the number of matches, that is 3. So what are you getting? The simplification. This became 150 by 3 equal to 50 runs. This 50 runs became the average score made by that cricket player. Similarly, so if we prepare the formula to find the average run rate scored by this batsman, we can say if this is x1, next one is x2, next one is x3, that is divided by 3. In this way we can prepare the average, and this average is the mean of the data. Average is the mean of the data. So mean equal to, we can say, the sum of variables x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot 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 plus xn by the number of variables, that is n. This is the formula to find the mean. Means the sum of variables, in words also we can write the sum of variables by the number of variables. And second topic is median. Median is the central tendency of the data. there are two types of data: median. If the number of variables that is denoted by n is odd, if the number of variables is odd, then median equal to n by 2 n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 2th variate. Variate is also the variable. And one more formula for median in different case. What is that different case? If the number of variables or variates n is even. In this case, median equal to n by 2 n by 2th variate plus n by 2 plus 1th variate by 2. So we are seeing two different formula for median that depends on the number of variables. If the number of variables is odd, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th variate. Here variate or term or variables, all these have the same meaning. Second formula to find the median: if the number of variables n is even, then median equal to n by 2th variate plus n by 2 plus 1th variate by 2. In your book, at the place of variate, term is used, but I repeat, all these three variables, variate and term have the same meaning. And what is median? Median is the central point. Median is the middle point of the data. Now, a mean is an average of the given data. For that formula I have written already. We say mean equal to the sum of variates by the number of variates. In other words, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus plus xn by n, where x1, x2, x3, xn are the variates or the terms or the variables, and n is the number of terms, number of variates or number of variables. A median is the central part of the given data. What is central part? Suppose we have this data 2, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So which one is the central term? This central term is 7. So we say this is the median. In a given data, there may be so many variates, so we have the formula. There are two formulae to find the median. That depends on the number of terms or number of variates or number of variables. If number of terms or number of variates or number of variables are odd, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. And if the number of terms or number of variates or number of variables are even, then median equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term by 2. So using this formula we can find out the median whilst we have so many variables given in the data. Let us start exercise 17.3, question number 1. Question number 1 states that for the set of numbers given below, find the mean. A. These are the terms or numbers. We are asked to find the mean of these numbers. So first of all, we write the formula. Mean equal to the sum of variates, the sum of variates or terms by the number of terms. For that, 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 by how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calculate it. 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. 30 by 5. So mean became 6. In question number 2, calculate the mean of the following. This data is given 4, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 11 and 3. So what is the special feature of this data? So many variates are repeated. So many terms are repeated. But to find the mean, we write, either you write the sum of variates by the number of variates, or you write this formula also, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot 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 plus xn by n. 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. As the variates or terms are repeated, we shall repeat those terms in this formula, in this addition also. Plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 11 plus 3 by how many are? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 by 14. We solve it. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 7, 29 plus 7, 36 plus 7, 36 plus 7, 43 plus 7, 50 plus 8, 58 plus 8, 66 plus 9, 75 plus 9, 75 plus 9, 84, 84 plus 11 equal to 95, 95 plus 3, 98. So this sum of terms, sum of variates became 98 by 14. and if you divide you will get 7. So the mean of this given data became 7. After that, question number 4, 5, 6, all these are same. 7 is a little different question. In this question, the marks obtained by 10 students are listed below. These are the marks obtained by 10 students. 2, 5, 3, 8, 0, 9, x, 6, 1 and 8. Mean is given. If the mean is 5, then find the value of x. So, solution, we write the formula mean equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot 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 plus xn by n. Since mean is given here, that is equal to 5, so at the place of mean we kept 5, and this is 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus x plus 6 plus 1 plus 8, and total number of terms or total number of variates, that is equal to 10, or you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we kept here 10. Now by cross multiplication this became 50, and this sum 2 plus 5 7 plus 3 10 plus 8 18 plus 0 18 plus 9 27 plus 6, leave this x, plus 6 27 plus 6 33 33 plus 1 34 34 plus 8 42 42 plus this x. So we are asked to find x. Therefore x equal to 50 minus 42 equal to 8. This became the answer.